Inside PhotoRAW 2020, it's incredibly easy to apply style to your images. I'm inside the Browse module, and I just want to apply a nice black and white to these underwater shots. So I'll just select a few of my favorites. I'll head into the All New Presets pane, and I'll head down to this nice black and white modern category. And my favorite in here is this B1. And I really like what that black and white does to the underwater shots, especially this photo here. And not only can we apply style quickly inside PhotoRAW, but new to version 2020, we have an all-new map view which allows us to manage our photo's location. So for this photograph, if I go into my metadata, and I open my EXIF metadata, in my GPS area, I have no GPS coordinates here. So if I want to update the GPS coordinates and set a location on a map for this photo, I can do that really easily using the all-new map view. So to access my map view, I can head down and I can click on this icon here, or I can hit M on my keyboard. And to set the location for this photo, I can head up to the search bar, and I can search where these photos were taken. And these were taken at Electric Beach in Oahu, Hawaii. And I can zoom around the map and find places manually, so I'm just going to type in Hawaii to find it really quickly. I'll just zoom out. And these were shot on Oahu. So I'll zoom into Oahu. And these were shot on the South Shore at this little beach called Electric Beach, right across from this big electric power plant, which is right here. And these photos were taken near these pipes, which push out warm water into the ocean, which then attracts all of these awesome, awesome fish. So to set the location at Electric Beach, which is about right here, I can right click, and then I'll just click it to set the location. And now it's updated the GPS coordinates with the map view. And if I want to apply these GPS coordinates to other photos, I can head up to my preset. I'll save this as a new preset, and I'll just type in Electric Beach Snorkel. I'll hit G on my keyboard to go back to my grid view. I'll make sure all of these photos are selected. I'll head over to my preset, and I'll make sure that Electric Beach Snorkel is selected. And now all of these photos have those GPS coordinates updated in their metadata.